Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix DirecTV Genie remote not responding, battery sync and receiver reset tutorial. Fix 1 is check the batteries. Open the battery cover on the back of the remote, then remove both batteries. Insert two new AA batteries, then make sure the plus and minus ends are correct. Then press the power button to see if the remote responds. Second one is make sure nothing is blocking the receiver. Stand within 15 to 20 feet on the DirecTV receiver. Then remove any object blocking the front of the receiver. Point the remote directly at the receiver. Try changing the channel or adjusting the volume. Third one is reset the remote. Press and hold the mute and select buttons together. Wait until the green light blinks twice. Enter 981 using the number button. Wait for the green light to blink 4 times. The remote is now reset. Fourth one is pair the Genie remote again. Turn on your TV and DirecTV Genie receiver. Then point the remote at the Genie receiver. Press and hold the mute and enter button together. Keep holding until you see applying IR RF setup on the TV. Then wait for the pairing process to finish. Fifth one is power cycle the receiver. Unplug the Genie receiver from the power outlet. Then wait for 30 to 60 seconds. Plug the receiver back in. Wait for it to fully reboot, then test the remote. Thanks for watching.